Hi, what's up everyone? This is Shravan. Welcome to another vlog. Hope everyone are doing great. Yeah, first of all, wish you all a happy Christmas. Yeah, today is 25th of December 2020. As usual, today is holiday and it's a very long weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday in a row. Me along with my brother over there, Madureluri, we both are heading towards Lepakshi and then we are going to Gandikota. Yeah, that is the plan as of now. First we thought of going to Hampi. This trip is going to be altogether around, you can say somewhere around 600 to 700 kilometers. Started around 5:30 in the morning. Lepakshi is another 80 kilometers from here, I believe. Yeah, so the plan is first we will be reaching to Lepakshi because my brother never went to Lepakshi, means he never visited Lepakshi. So first we wanted to go there. Gandikota, I think 1.5 years ago we went on my bike, and trust me, it was so much pain. The Gandikota roads are not that great, but the location, guys, Gandikota, Grand Canyon of India. There are very few canyons in the world, and in India this is one of the Grand Canyon. You guys can just Google it out. So yeah, that is the plan as of now. Actually, is a place. It is actually a temple, very old temple. We are on this Bangalore Hyderabad highway. Trust me, this is one boring highway. The road is very good. There will not be any potholes, neither speed breakers which will surprise you all of a sudden. Full of fog actually. It's very cold. I am unable to cross beyond 80 kmph. So cold. I hope you guys remember, if you take this turn under that flyover, you will be going to the Dandiganhalli Dam. That is also one beautiful place. You can check that out in my previous vlogs. Crossing the first toll of the day, guys. Just entered into Andhra. Just crossed Bagepalli, and here you can see Bagepalli Toll Plaza, Karnataka. Ite. My brother went into the other lane which is meant for lorries. Yeah, so this is the first toll of the day. From here another 30 kilometers, I believe. Yeah, from here another 30 kilometers, I believe, to Lepakshi. After this we will be entering into Andhra. Kia Motors, another 50 kilometers. The famous Kia Seltos. हमारा श्रीमान भाई का गाड़ी. Yeah, we just need to take this deviation from the highway. There you can see Hyderabad. You need to go straight on the highway. If it is Lepakshi, you need to take this left for Lepakshi and Indupur. You guys can easily notice, if you guys miss the deviation to take the service road, you guys can come over here at this junction also, and you can just have a look. There will be one Nandi will be there, and yeah, you can see this big arch. So this can tell you that you are on the right way. And now you need to proceed in this way for another 20 kilometers, then your destination will be on your right. We are just entering into Lepakshi, finally, the first destination of the day. You can see there is something that is an eagle on top of that rock over there. I don't know whether you guys are able to see or not. Before entering into the actual temple, we have a big Nandi over here actually. I will show you guys in a while. There you guys can see this is the big Nandi over here. This is the one. First we will go visit the Nandi and we will tell Nandi that we came here to meet your Lord. After that we will go to the temple. Yeah. Let's go here first. Check out the Nandi and then now enjoy the view from my camera. Yeah, so just entered into this place, this big Nandi you can see over here. Mother, you need to leave your footwear. We need to leave our footwear over here. This whole Nandi is carved on a single piece of rock. You guys can see there is no joints or anything. It's all like a very big rock. We are done here, guys. I hope you guys like those cinematics. It is a very pleasant place as it is a morning and there is no much crowd. Only me and my brother and one couple photography is going on over there. That's it. No one else is there. Even the village people are just waking up, so it's without any disturbance. I was able to take nice cinematics without any background disturbances and all. I hope you guys might have liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. From here now we are heading towards the actual main temple, Lepakshi temple. Just another 200 meters from here, that's it. We'll go and then I will meet you guys back over there. Back to the bike. My brother is wearing his shoes. From here another 200 meters we just need to go a little bit further and then we need to take a left. There will be one more arch over there. This is Harita, where Harita by government tourism, AP tourism, where you can get these rooms, restrooms, restaurant, everything. So if you are on a planned trip, you can come here and book a room and stay over here for a night. Yeah, that is one good thing. It's a very big one actually. I hope there will be plenty of these rooms and all. Just check this government website and yeah, you guys can get your accommodation. Yeah, he's back. Now we'll go there. I hope the crowd will be less better if it is less. This is the way. You can see a small arch over there, and that is the temple over there. I can see very less crowd as of now. Veerabhadra temple, Vishnu temple, Papanaseshwara temple, Bhadrakali temple, Hanuman Linga temple, Ramalinga temple, mural paintings, Nagalinga and Ganesha. These all are the temples which you have here. But though I am not, yeah, ఎంతన్నా రెండు రెండు బళ్ళకి నువ్వు ఇచ్చేసావా డబ్బులు? రెండింటికి తీసుకున్నా సరిపోయిందా? ఓకే. 20 rupees is the parking ticket. Yeah, now we will go up. We need to leave our shoes outside. There will be one rack. The earliest inscription in this temple is dated 1533 AD. As per the tradition, the temple was built by Virupana, who was a subordinate officer of Achyutaraya. You guys can just take a screenshot of this. Maybe you will get a better idea about this place. Yeah, that is how it is. Everything is well organized here. There are CCTVs, washrooms, no entry without mask. We need to leave our footwear over there, then we will go inside. Yep, we are inside the temple, guys. Trust me, once you are inside, every single thing you will like to capture in your camera or in your mobile, anywhere. Every single place will make you forced to take a cinematic. That's what my situation is right now. Nice background with all those slokas and all. You can see this is just the entrance of the place. We just entered in that way, and once we entered, immediately we started shooting. It's a very nice place, very less crowd. I can hardly see people inside the temple right now. Anyways, you guys just enjoy the cinematics. I hope you guys got a nice information about this place with that screenshot which I took few minutes back. Yeah, let's get started. Both just entered into the temple, and trust me guys, it's so pleasant. There is very less crowd, nothing much, and every place over here will make you take a photo. Definitely your mobile will not be sitting idle, for sure. will keep on clicking the photos. You will be keep on taking some cinematics and all. Trust me myself, I I don't know till now. Like once I entered, I was busy taking the cinematics. I forgot that I need to vlog and tell you guys how the place and all. Like, yeah, that is how it is. Just have a view, guys. We have many small temples inside this big temple. Everything is like so perfectly done. This is the one Anjaneya Swami, and here you can see like there is this big footprint. They believe that this is Lord Hanuman's footprint. This is a very big footprint. You guys can see, I guess. Yeah, that is the temple over there. Small temple, and they believe that this is the footprint of Hanuman. You guys can see, actually it is like proper print of the foot. You guys can hear the sound of these pigeons and all. Look at this, so beautiful. Everywhere you guys can see there is a different type of artwork. I don't know what is the artwork, but it is completely done on the stone. And this is like 1053 AD's temple, and still the artwork is intact. You guys can see on the roof somewhere here and there the artwork is gone, but yeah, you still have these artworks. There are thousands of pillars over here, but this one is the special one because the base of this pillar which you are seeing is not touching the ground. It is just hanging in the air. If you want, you can just to test this, you can just pass a paper from this end to the other end, and you can see like it will be easily coming out. It is just hanging. This is the hanging pillar. Hundreds and thousands of pillars over here, and every one of them are unique. They won't resemble each other. That is the another good thing about this place. Every pillar, every single what is that the artwork on the stone is completely different from the another pillar. You guys can see these all, you have these many pillars you have, and it is authenticated that none of the pillars design or structure match with the other pillars. That is one thing. We are done here, guys. We really spent a very good amount of time, like almost like 1 hour 15 minutes. We both were here. We took very nice cinematic shots. My brother took very nice pics. Just follow him on Instagram, and maybe you can see a very good set of pics over there of this place. The climate is also very nice. It was very pleasant. It was not too hot, not humid and all. It was very pleasant. Yeah, from here the plan is to go towards Gandikota. It's almost like 200 kilometers from here. The time is around 9 o'clock in the morning. I hope we will be reaching there by afternoon. Yeah, that's the plan as of now. Now we are leaving from here. Just stay tuned.